Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming what you already have. Check Python 3 version so you know the target. Next, update apt and install software properties common because you need add apt repository capability to fetch newer builds. Once done, add the Deadsnake's PPA to access official backports for Ubuntu. This avoids compiling from source and speeds the process. Make sure to explain why. PPAs provide tested binaries for your Ubuntu release, preventing dependency nightmares later. You now install the target release. Run sudo apt update, then sudo apt install Python 3. X and Python 3. Xvenv so virtual environments work. After installation, use sudo update alternatives to register the new Python 3 binary and set its priority. This switches the system Python smoothly. Once set, verify Python 3 version and pip 3 version to confirm tools align. Make sure to create or recreate virtual environments for projects, because you finish by upgrading pip and core packaging tools inside the new interpreter so installs work reliably. If some system scripts or third-party apps fail, revert the alternatives change or run them with the explicit /usr/bin/python3 xpath to avoid system-wide disruption. Once done, recreate virtual environments and reinstall dependencies. This resolves most runtime mismatches. If issues persist, check your path and ensure pip 3 points to the same Python 3 binary, because mismatched pip and Python are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.